Dale Simpson from Thomas Westcott Chartered Accountants, and here's my 8th video in the series on getting ready for Making Tax Digital, or MTD. HMRC issued a VAT notice explaining the rules on making tax digital for MTD, and it was published on the 13th of July 2018. There have been one or two queries and comments on this notice, and HMRC have very recently published a supplement to that document, and that's called MTD, How VAT Businesses and Other VAT Entities Can Get Ready. This was published on the 17th of September 2018, and it confirms the position on certain issues. These include questions such as: what happens if my taxable turnover falls below the VAT threshold? Well, if the turnover falls below the threshold at any point after the 1st of April 2019, you will still be required to continue keeping your records MTD compliant unless you deregister from VAT. What do businesses need to do to get ready for MTD? This reiterates the need for business records to be kept digitally from the start of the accounting period. If you don't use software, so in other words, you're keeping manual records, you will not be MTD compliant and will need to use software to keep your records. There's a list of software suppliers who have both tested their products with HMRC in a test environment and already demonstrated a prototype of their software to HMRC. The suppliers who have done that can be found on the government website www.gov.uk. What about using spreadsheets for business records? Well, I discussed this in quite some detail on the 6th of my videos, and if you're not sure about what to do on spreadsheets, have a look back at that video. It also explains what bridging software is, and HMRC's description is of a digital tool that takes information from one application to another. So for example, you might have your accounting software and information is transferred from that to a spreadsheet to enable calculations to be made for completion of your VAT return. So for example, you might need to be doing some partial exemption calculations, and it's that transfer of the information from one package to another that's described by HMRC as bridging software. I do hope that these comments have been helpful and are in helping you get ready for MTD, and I'll be continuing these notes in my next video. Thank you.